I know you like to see how builders have done a really shit job. I'm going to show you some pretty impressive brickwork for a garage. Okay, let's have a look. He's done 2 skins of brickwork here, right? T-lintel sticking out, right? The T-bar's too big, okay? But it gets even prettier. Look at this, right? You want to see something awesome? Let's just look at the site, right? This is a extremely well known builder. It's arguably the biggest one there is. Now, look at that crack. It hasn't even got a roof on it, and it's failed. Look at that, right? Sticking out, step deviations out of square. Listen to this. Listen to this. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear it. Wobbly, listen. It's wobbling. It's structurally defective. It is completely ruined. It's got to come down. Don't worry about the graffiti. We haven't even started on the house. We haven't even started. Big beam carrying a suspended slab, okay? Now you're thinking, why on earth would he bear it down like this? That's a fair comment, and one that should be addressed. If this side bears down on 40 millimeters. That's it. This whole area, which is a second story, that is what it sits on. Look at the sky. I don't know. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. It's not even seated properly. These guys are a bunch of clowns. This is the other beam, which guess what? Also seated. A little bit of concrete fiber cement there, just to hold an entire floor. The brick code's quite specific. It says where you're going to tie into bricks without using the key-in method, you have to have wire ties doubled, okay? They think I wouldn't see it, but I can. I can see the light coming through, and there are no wire ties at all. Good nice control joint over here, starting at, well, it depends which brick you look at, but let's just give them the benefit of the doubt and say 10 mil. It's not ending at 10 mil. It's ending at 25 mil. Right. All the way through, by the way. So just moving these bricks. And that is below the sill. This is unbelievable. Look at that. Look at this. The scaffolding's completely destroyed. The top course. Not that it needed a whole bunch of assistance, it was destroyed beforehand. But whole bed joints opened up. Again, that scaffolding has kicked that top course right out. The top 2 courses has been kicked right out. Again, a major beam is bearing down on 2 40 mil members, but the brick's missing. The brick's been cut out to allow for the post, and the beam, and I'll check with the engineers, should be welded to that post, which makes me think that which is what we call a PWP, is not supposed to be there. Now that's supposed to be a column, and that column is welded to this beam. Forget this. Don't even look at that, and don't even look at the brick. Just try to look beyond that. So that's going to be a big problem, and we'll look at the engineers. Let's get a bird's eye view, not of the condition of the scaffolding, bit of the garage that we found earlier to be completely defective. Okay, so we'll just start by acknowledging all of this has got to be mortar filled. None of it's mortar filled, so it's not compliant. Missing a holding down rod in this pier over here. It would be really nice if that brick was straight, but if we can look beyond that, also not compliant, non-compliant, non-compliant. None of them are full. Look at the inconsistent cavity, right? It's about 30 mil to, I don't even know. I could probably get in there if I wanted to. This is terrible. This whole garage needs to come down.